In the construction of a motocross bike, drag the parts to their places. This is the frame of a motocross bike. Install it. Tap the block to carries all the other parts of a motocross bike. Let's install the swing arm with the shock absorber. The swing arm attaches the rear wheel of the motorcycle to its body, and the shock absorber ensures a smoother landing after the jump. Install the front fork with the shock absorbers. The front wheel and the handlebars of a motocross bike are attached to it. Now let's install wheels. The motocross bike needs its wheels to move on the track. And now we need to install brakes. The brakes are used to slow the motocross bike down or to stop it. This is an engine. Install it. The engine turns the wheels with the help of a chain so that the motocross bike can move. And now let's install a muffler. The muffler helps to expel gases and reduces the noise of an engine. Now let's install a fuel tank. The fuel tank contains gasoline or other fuel. Let's install the handlebars of a motocross bike. By turning the handlebars, a driver turns the front fork, thus choosing the direction. Now let's install controls. They're mounted in the handlebars and on the sides of a motocross bike. All this is needed for a driver to control the motocross bike. Let's install a driver's seat. This is where the driver of a motocross bike sits. Install the bodywork of a motocross bike. The bodywork protects the driver and the parts of the motocross bike from dirt and damage. We did it! Keep it up.